привет, это гангстер Новый Орлеан. Прикольная игра и графика хорошая. Нужно сейчас украсть тачку. Блин. Возьмем вот эту.
10 миллионов долларов. Миллиардов долларов.
Так, что-то лагануло.
Это вообще надо это бетона минус.
Дай себе тачку. О, мотоцикл. Так, будем. Так, сейчас пройдем миссию.
Tell the room to stop spinning. It's making me queasy.
Так, стрип-клуб.
Oh yeah. This
Если
is
мои родители увидят, что я это снимаю, то они меня поругают.
Yes. He lost a lot of money on you. Okay. We can. That's one viewpoint, but I think it's more complicated than that. I guess at its core, it's all about trends. Thrash metal used to be a force to be reckoned with on the airwaves.
Where are you? Where did...
Are you E-Man?
Sometimes, sure. Okay. Sometimes not so much. Depends upon your perspective, I guess.
Right. Vera sent me.
Excellent timing, for I have been attacked and fleeced by a dragon.
A what?
With several heads. Terribly fast, roaring in and out of nowhere on a board. Wheels. So much laughing.
So you got jacked by a couple of skateboarders. Got it.
Except you don't got it. They got it. They took the secret formula. The one and only scroll. If other alchemists made the potion, no matter for the Ypres, you see?
Ah, so they took, like, your formula for whatever...
No need to lag, drag. Come on, before I come off. Oh boy.
Hell, man. What are you on that makes you run so fast?
Чего такая выносливость большая?
This is your dragon? I was expecting someone with a little less acne.
Hey, little Joe, I think you got something of mine. Something I really need back.
Come on, you little punk. Hand over the formula, or drugs, or whatever. Or my fists are gonna get creative with your face.
Oh, shit. They didn't teach subtlety in Big Muscular Man School, did they? Follow and take notes. The formula's getting away with the kid. Holy hookers. My
Догоним
mind is
сосунка.
imploding and the world is on fire.
Так.
Come on, I'm hot on the scent. Dragons leave a wake of...
Как они так бегают, я вообще не понимаю.
You all right?
Wish I could undo that sandwich that I did. Oh, I'm winded.
I'll be faster without you.
Go! Go! Fly! Don't let the dragon touch your jewel capsule!
Мы паркуристы.
I can do this all day, little man.
Stop chasing me! Leave me alone!
Hold up, or I'm taking your lunch money.
Stop chasing me!
На. Догнал это.
I hate to see a kid go down like that. So, you the Empress's new muscle?
Vera? Just while she helps me sort out some things with Frank Valiano.
Frank! Those two are on speaking terms again? Didn't know hell had frozen over.
What are you talking about?
The Empress and Frank were all...
О, где место? Да ёкалка. Так, ну-ка возьмем грузовик. Сейчас нужно найти тачку.
Олег там поручкой. Олег.
Лакрос, дебил! Да ёкалка.
Music never gets old.
Блин,
Classics die. Classic
уже вышел, по-моему.